Hey, so I've been getting a lot of requests for a self-portrait. I want to say just in the last hour alone, I've gotten over 200 emails begging me, please do a self-portrait. We want to know what you look like and how you would draw yourself. And oh, it just goes on and on. I'm sick of reading the emails, to be honest, and that's why I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it just so I don't get any more emails about it. It's not something that I want to do. I don't take any pride in it because to me, it's very narcissistic to draw yourself. I like drawing other things, mostly animals, because animals are really cool and unique. And me, I'm just an average guy. I don't, I'm nothing special. I am an amazing, one of the best artists, but besides that, I don't want to sit here and draw myself, but I'll do it anyway, just because you guys are begging for it. So, when you're doing a self-portrait, you're just doing your face. So you just start with a big circle. There we go. That's actually a really good circle. That's a perfect circle, actually. That's one of the best I've ever done. That might be the best. Hard to say. Okay, so now since we're doing me, I have eyes, like a lot of people. Two of them. Some people don't. Some people have one. Some people have none. I have two. And like everyone else, I have pupils. And I don't mean students, although I do have students. Okay, I mean, we're off to an amazing start. And I do have color over here, but I'm not sure if I'm going to add it. We'll see how this goes. Okay, so after my eyes, we'll work from the top down. That's the best way to do a face, always. You always want to start from the highest features to the lowest. Although there are features above the eyes that I didn't do yet. So, anyway. So we'll go from the eyes, and then we'll do the nose. And you're gonna laugh, but my nose does look like this. That's basically really exactly what I look like. This is actually pretty good. So go from the nose, I guess a little, I mean, I don't know why I would add this because it's not that prominent, but some nose hairs. I guess if we're going for realism. Yeah, maybe a little bit. I guess some, what are they called? Blackheads, acne. Why not? If you guys want to know what I look like, well, here it is. So we'll do my mouth next. Now, I'm not sure if I should be happy or sad. We'll do sad. No reason, just picking a random emotion. So there's my mouth. And I'll have my mouth closed. So there's my lips and chin. Perfect. A little bit of a beard. Yeah, so I do have facial hair. So we'll go ahead and add that now. Yeah, so I have like a mustache. There we go. Actually, you know what? I forgot to do the eyebrows. So we'll do like a pensive, sort of concerned. What's it called? Like open-minded. Just observing the world and taking it all in. That's kind of the facial expression that I'm going for. So we'll go ahead and add some hair. So I do have kind of longish hair. So we'll go ahead and add it right there like that. This part's easy. I mean, for me, the whole thing's easy, but this part especially. Boom, boom, boom. I gotta say, this is coming out amazing. Let's see what else. Oh, you know what sucks is the hair kind of took over the eyebrows. Let's make those eyebrows a little bit more prominent. That's it. There's my self-portrait. So now you guys can stop emailing me. You can basically just delete my email. Don't send me anything else unless you have another request. But stop with the portraits because here it is. Now, leave me alone. Thanks. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. And this is a lot of good info. So if you want to subscribe, you want to share it, you want to comment and say thanks, say you saved my life, you've given me so much great insight and tips, let me know. Okay, bye.